I'm excited for Mike to like be at the wedding because I think last night he really realized like how Italian your family is.
Oh, okay. That's funny. There's some
very Italian names.
It's really just my New Jersey family that's gonna be the most like Italian, I guess. Like Zia Enza is also straight from Sicily.
Who is, you said?
Zia Enza, that little short lady.
Yes, I assumed when we heard her accent.
Yeah.
my socks that I'm wearing today, I have a matching oven mitt, and they have a pony on them.
Wait, a matching oven mitt?
Yeah, I actually got the oven mitt when we got engaged that day, and then I got these socks. I found them on our honeymoon. They matched it, but they say I hate everyone too.
That's awesome. It's funny because my mom's like so extroverted and like loves everyone.
Yes, that's
but
what
she is
hearing.
ready to retire. What do I want to do with my makeup? I don't even know. I knew the lady who did my hair like wasn't the person to do my makeup because she was trying to tell me not to wear glitter and sparkle. She was like, I definitely advise matte, like blah blah blah. I was like, no, this isn't gonna work out. Man.
I love glitter and sparkle.
Yeah. Oh, I loved your makeup for your wedding.
Thank you.
That was so, and it had like a subtle little bit of like a blue or something, like in some lights. I was like, wow.
I can't wait to see her. She got her makeup done. She looks so good. I can't wait to see her.
Yeah, I've never seen Dee in makeup before.
She looks good.
Yeah?
And she said her hair, she wants to do something like similar to the Queen's Gambit. So I think it's gonna look
Oh, yeah.
Well, I don't know how it looks in the back, but we're just gonna go with it.
Ooh, I think it's great. There is one.
Is it this right here?
That one right there.
This
yeah.
thing?
It's two little curls.
Right here?
Yeah.
I feel that I should be doing something. Look at her! Look at her!
Herself. Can you
Look
believe?
at her! You are a genius.
How do you do that?
She can do anything.
I can't even like do a
I
side
cannot
braid.
do my makeups.
Oh, I'm sure
I'm
you can.
terrible
You just don't want to show it.
Oh no, I'm terrible with makeup, and Natasha knows that.
You should curl your heads a little more.
Yeah,
If you have time.
I feel like they're just gonna keep falling.
I
So
know.
I'll do it right at the end.
And yeah, we'll spray some hairspray on it.
Yep.
Oh, hello. Looks so good.
Thank you. Ready. Love your room.
Thank you. I usually have my desk with my monitors there. It's like my office.
What'd you do with it?
The white table that the makeup artist is using in the living room.
I was like,
That's
did you
it.
slide it under there?
Nope. It's being put to good use.
Oh, your hair looks beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Did you practice anything? Or you just know what you are going to do?
So last week, like, so not this week, but the week before, I was working in the office, like I alternate. And so every day I like did my makeup, like my eye makeup, practicing my liner. So hopefully I have it down. That's why I did my eye makeup first, so in case I have to like start fresh.
Yeah.
And Natasha, you said you had safety pins.
I do, right here. Need
you.
2 white ones for me, please.
Thank you.
I have bobby pins too. I forgot to bring those out.
Sorry. You see my photo there? It is. My lips are so dry.
Do you want some lip balm?
I have one. Thank you.
So are we leaving here at like 1?
I think we're gonna leave here, or like try to be getting going around 12:30,
Okay.
and then weather permitting, we'll do our first look at the West End overlook.
Do you do your eyes before your foundation?
I am today, just in case there's any fallout, I can wipe it and then
Oh.
do. And that way,
She
if I have
did
to
the
smear my
eyes first.
eyeliner,
Oh. I never knew that.
it's like when you're doing anything intricate, in case you have to like wipe it all off and start again. Do you have an idea of what you're gonna have her do for your makeup?
I'm thinking that I like the little white sparkly here, dark here. I like the liner, the turquoise liner here. I don't know if she has any olive or emerald green shimmery liner.
doesn't,
I mean,
Yeah.
She probably
liner
does.
for the top.
Like that color? I have more if you need.
Yeah, that's a beautiful
I got
color.
it all. I have olive green.
She can do perhaps the liner on the top, this color.
I have more here.
Oh, yeah, that's fine then, that's fine.
I have like I can.
I know you do.
I'm trying to.
I think this is perfect color.
That one.
If she can do the liner on the top, that color. And then I'll use my turquoise pencil on the bottom, the foundation.
If you show her your dress,
Yeah.
Yeah.
she has a ton of palettes.
I'm sure.
So she might have a shade.
I'm sure. I'll leave this out if she doesn't. She can use this.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
No problem. Do you want to like look online to see if there's any photos that you can show her for like reference?
I don't know where
She
to
had
go.
some to show me. So if you start, and I
Nice.
had one too to show her. So you say like kind of what you're going for. She'll pull some up and you can.
That's really, really nice.
Are you doing lashes or leaving yours?
No, I got my lashes permed
Mm-hmm.
and tinted, and then the mascara, like the
Yeah.
enough. I'm gonna tear up a lot. I know lashes just wouldn't stay on.
Yeah.
Plus, they're not comfortable.
I just hope today got some slept.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
fast.
Enjoy the
Yeah.
whole thing.
You blink and it's over.
Yes.
Mhm.
Yeah, and there's so much leading up to it, and then
Yeah.
it's like, it's just done.
Yeah.
Which entree did you guys get?
For the wedding,
Mm-hmm.
chili and bass.
You too. Yeah, I'm not surprised. You were gunning so hard
I
for it at the
fought for it.
taste. She,
What did you get, tenderloin?
Yeah.
James said that she was like strong arming him under the table, like squeezing his leg. Vote bass.
It's down to the last two. James has chili.
Yeah.
Bass. I mean, it just melts in your mouth. It's like
It's
butter.
good, yeah.
I love it.
Especially like for a fish, it's not like overly fishy.
Yeah.
What's James getting?
I think he's gonna do the tenderloin so that we can have a little.
Oh.
Yeah,
both.
most
Yeah,
couples
nice.
have done that.
Yeah.
So they
That
can
makes
try
sense.
both.
Smart.
The appetizers are pretty good too.
Mm-hmm. We didn't pick all of the same appetizers that we tasted,
Yeah.
but I think we have a good mix of.
Yeah. You got the scalp with the bacon, didn't you?
We did, yeah.
And did you get rid of the spanakopita or which one?
I think we got rid of that, and like I think we got 3 new ones.
Yeah, that
So
beef
hopefully they're
Wellington or
good.
something, that doughy one.
I think James really liked that,
Oh, so you
so we kept it. Mm-hmm.
Fine. He can have it.
He can have all of them.
After all, he's getting married.
You can choose one, I guess. Little fun fact: I learned that you're supposed to put foundation on your ears too,
Oh.
because as they get red, it's gonna like not match your body.
All this
Nice.
stuff
Right?
that we're
Yeah.
learning.
Yes.
Well, I learned that when I was learning to do Julie's makeup for her wedding.
She's ready.
Oh, that looks
Let's
wonderful.
see,
Jane, come in.
Look at her.
Oh.
Oh, I love it! I love it so much.
Very nice.
This is the time to do it.
Right?
October.
Like the timing, yes.
Mm-hmm. Love it.
I was gonna be like, who this girl? I'm gonna grab my sandwich.
Yeah.
Your mom's gonna be mad because I paid for her makeup.
Oh, you did already.
Well, she paid for our hair.
Yeah, that was nice.
She's gonna be mad.
Hopefully she stays. I'll have to ask her if she can stay to do touch-ups when the girls with the masks come back.
Katie texted me, said they were a little bit ago. They should be here any minute.
Oh, wow.
She texted me at 11:13 and said they were on their way back.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
That's perfect. What time is it now?
11:30.
Mm-hmm.
Great timing. My mom was like, I wonder if she'll have an emerald green eyeshadow that I can use as liner. And I pulled out like 4 palettes with green. I was like, pew, pew. She doesn't have it, I do.
That's a clever girl. Mm-hmm.
I'm really jealous. She has this one Charlotte Tilbury palette. Was it you that was out there?
Yeah.
So it's this one, but it's different shades. It's like a limited edition one, like the original one. And like they'll bring it back for like 10 minutes and then it'll sell out again.
Where is
Do
it?
you want a mimosa? Do you like more cider or more champagne?
More
You know,
cider.
I was gonna say, when Tim makes them, he little cider,
yeah.
not champagne.
Heavy-handed. Yeah.
So what would you like?
I'll have
regular mimosa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good.
Thank you. Have any of you been to the Urban Tap? I know you have, Hannah. They have our apple cider mimosas there. Love it. I was at the photographer. Ooh, good one.
Hey, is it okay for Carl to come by? Okay. Just want to make sure
We're all dressed.
Yeah. Hi.
Where's Natasha at? She's not here?
She just came to
walked
find
out.
you.
Oh,
She
okay.
just went.
Yeah.
I don't know where she went, but she just
Yeah.
went out there.
I'm gonna try not to put too much blush on, but no freaking promises.
Tasha.
Hey there. Oh, your hair looks fantastic.
Oh, thank you. There's,
I
there's
love
a
it.
fishtail on this side.
Whoa. I love how everyone's doing the half up, half down.
Yeah.
I just think that's like
It's
the easiest.
The move. It's
yeah.
the move. Look at you.
Sorry,
That's what I
spray
sprayed
in your
on too. I did the same thing. I was probably gonna wait to put on the lipstick until like closer to when we leave.
Same. Yeah, I'm just gonna put on a lip liner right now. And then have a tinted balm for touch-ups. These apple cider mimosas are it. So good. Yeah, I'm over here.
In this one.
Right here.
Yeah.
Do you have a veil by chance?
I do.
Okay, I'm going to use that as...
Yeah, so this is
Oh,
my
there it is.
plan B. This is the backup veil. And then I have like one that's not white. I think I prefer getting to do my own makeup because like I'm not stuck to a chair.
Yeah,
I can move and go at my own pace.
I get that. So she said to put mascara on before fake lashes, which I thought
Yeah.
was interesting.
Yep.
That's real.
It's so like your lashes melt in better with the fake ones since like those are.
Wouldn't it work better the other way around? Because then you put mascara on both of them at the same time.
I don't know. I don't ever do fake lashes. I
I've
don't.
never done it, but I'm really excited to get it done. For the
Yeah.
first
You don't
time.
want to put mascara on the lashes because then they don't last as long. Like you can't reuse them.
Oh, I see.
Hey Tosh,
Hey,
can I love your hair. Oh, the same girl did mine. She's
Jen.
so sweet.
she's so nice. Isn't she the best?
And she had that, like her outfit
Right?
just made me want to go to her.
How do they wear heeled boots like that and stand all day? What was your question?
Would you mind if I used a little bit of Sprite
Oh,
in place of champagne?
do I mind? I have LaCroix too. Like if you want a seltzer that doesn't have a ton of sugar,
Yes.
you do what you want.
Oh,
That's
thank
why
you.
I put it in the fridge
Oh, thank you so much.
for you guys.
That was the funniest thing. Do you mind if
Do
I
I
don't
mind?
drink while I'm pregnant?
Right, like
How much makeup do you have to go?
I just have to. I think I'm almost done.
Nice.
Maybe another layer of
I
mascara.
totally stole a blush and a highlighter from you.
Do what you
And
gotta
I
do.
figured you'd be okay with
I
that
wouldn't even
because
notice,
you're always
right?
offering your makeup to other
Yeah.
people.
Which one did you end up using?
I used the Essence highlighter that was like right on
Okay,
top.
because I have
And then
some deeper ones if you wanted something that matches you better.
no, there was like a pink one in here that
Oh, yeah.
I thought it like this one. I thought it was gonna be too light, but then I put it in my hand and it doesn't have the white
Yes.
to it. It's just the
It
pigment.
doesn't
so
have
it
a
looked
white
really
base.
Great.
Yeah. I'm glad. I don't really have a ton extra to do. Maybe I'll add some sparkle to my inner corner. You know. Just for
Spice
fun.
it up.
Spice it up. Boom, boom. Yeah, if you guys want to borrow any eyeshadow or anything, blush, highlighter.
Can you I think these are uneven just a tiny bit. The line.
Oh, I see. Yeah, go ahead and look up. I don't have like a black liner, so you might have to go to her. Yeah, I don't really want to add too much more. I know I should apply more because it'll show up in
Picture of
photos.
you. Okay, wait. Angle. Okay. Here. Let me see. I want to get it so that. Which way did I angle?
I don't know how to like not make a weird face.
Nice. You're good. Okay. Oh, that's a good one.
Thank you so much. I'm gonna add some more highlight because I gotta do it.
I also saw in your bedroom you're reading The Bell Jar.
Oh, I've read it. James
Oh.
recently read it.
Okay. Yeah, because that's one of my favorite books.
Yeah, I want to read more Sylvia Plath. I need to go back and read it again because it's been a while.
Yeah. So I'm going to take my little purse too. got that idea from you because you had a little purse that just fit everything.
Do you have like a mirror in there?
Nope.
Do you want one?
I don't have a mirror. Nope. That's a negative on
Let
the
me
mirror.
find one that's like little.
Yeah.
No, it is not.
That's funny.
Like the headache that I had the next
Yeah.
day.
Yeah.
I wasn't even
I always,
hungover,
when I
just
drink
had a
wine, I
headache.
always take a, like no matter how I'm feeling, I always take like an Advil and drink like a bottle of water before I go to bed.
Yeah.
That's what I should have done.
Smart.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna just be drinking mostly water. Just like not too much so I'm not peeing every 2 seconds. But like, I get so sleepy when I drink. I was telling Julie, I was like, I'm gonna tuck her out if I day drink.
I'm very excited to see this vlog on your channel.
Yeah, I mean, it's just like me, I'm just probably just gonna like fast forward through it of me like getting ready. The lighting's not the best, so I don't know if they're really getting to see it. I'm just gonna wave by the camera, I know it's weird.
More vlogs after